Hi guys, it's me Kia again. So you must be seeing a different setup, a different angle. That is because, as you read by the title, this is gonna be a very different video. Yes, for the very first time, I'm gonna be trying my hands at vlogging. I don't know how this is gonna go, but this is not gonna be like a daily vlog or anything. It's gonna be a travel vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna be traveling, and the only reason I'm traveling is because we couldn't go anywhere for a whole year, as you all know, because of this pandemic. But since tomorrow is my birthday, yes, today is 18 December, and in a few hours it will be my birthday. Actually, not few hours. एक डेढ़ घंटे में it will be 12 a.m. and it will be my birthday. So we are planning this trip for a month now. कि मेरे birthday पे we'll go for a few days to a nearby kind of away from city, resting, enjoying vacation kind of place. That is Madhai. It is like very near to Bhopal, just 120 or 130 kilometers away, so it will take around 3 to 4 hours by road. Yeah, I'm going by road. Okay. So I thought, actually Papa thought ki let's go and unwind a little from this whole city life. And since it's my birthday, it will be a celebration. So I thought, let's record this and see if I can actually vlog, make a whole video and put it out there for you guys. Actually, I'm a little sad because Papa won't be joining us on this whole trip. Something actually very important came up and it cannot be avoided. Actually, I also didn't want it to go, but he said ki go along with Ma, enjoy a little, and we'll plan another family trip where we all will go. So just because he insisted, I'm going, and I hope to have a little bit of fun because I know I'm gonna miss him terribly on that trip. But yeah, another reason to vlog this whole thing so that I can show him ki what all we did, how the place is, and everything, so that maybe next time we can go there along with him. So yeah, let's see how this whole vlogs come up and if I can put it out there on YouTube. So I still have to do my nails and pack, and then I have to sleep and get up very early in the morning because we are leaving around I believe 8 o'clock in the morning because we have to reach there by 12. So you have to get up really early in the morning and I still have to pack. That's how I am. But don't worry, I'm pro at packing at the last minute. I've done it many times. So now I'm gonna go and pack, and maybe I'll take you along with me. Let's go, let's pack. Good morning, you guys. It's the next day and it's my birthday. Yay. Currently, it's just a minute. Okay, it's 8 o'clock and we have to leave at 8:30 something. But before that, I have to do my breakfast, and actually, mom has already made the breakfast, so I'll just do that, and then we have to wait for a ride. And once that comes, we'll be on our way to Madhai. So yeah, I'll catch you when I'm in the car, and yeah, maybe when I'll reach there. So till then, adios. we have reached the place. I'll just show you, okay, where I am. Yeah, I'm at Bison Resort. We have reached finally. Let's go in. So yes, I'm just going in, checking in. Let's see what all rooms we get. It's very pretty here actually, and I'm not sure if you can hear me, but whatever. I'll just show you the view. It's very pretty, guys. It's very pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty out here. So yeah, I guess we have to wait here for a while. There's still time before we can get to our rooms. But I don't mind here. It's so pretty, guys. It's all water. Actually, I'm not new to water because, of course, Bhopal, city of lakes, so I see a lot of water. But this year it has been like, pandemic and all. So, this is nice. Now, we'll wait here, and once it's all clear for the room, I'll take you with me. Okay guys, so room is ready, so we are going in, and let's walk up to the room. Okay, guys, don't mind my face. It's very sweaty and gross. I'll wash it, but I thought let's give you a room tour. So back, this is my room, and let's see how it is. Actually, it's beautiful. Just a spoiler, I guess. Chalo, let's see. So customary, क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी style, mummy opened the door, and here is my mom. Now let's see. So this is how we enter, and this is the first thing you see. So I'll take you like clockwise direction, and we'll see how the room is. So when we enter, this is the television. I don't think so I'm gonna be watching anything because मैं घर पे भी नहीं देखती हूँ. And right underneath it you see all this chai and everything. Yeah, nice setup, right? And then this side, full length mirror. Yeah, it's the full length mirror. Here is me. Hi guys. And okay, so here is the washroom. I'm not gonna be going inside. It's just a normal washroom, guys. Nothing special. It's clean though. It's very clean. Now when we move here, we have the balcony. I'll take you outside there. But underneath here is a set of like two chairs and a table, normal ones. Then we have the bedside table with a lamp, phone, and everything. AC ka remote. I don't think so. We need AC in December. Then here's my gorgeous mom sitting on the bed. This is a queen size bed, I guess, and those are the wardrobes. And नीचे वाले में actually fridge है, but again we don't need fridge. And back to the door. So this is a small cute sa room, which is perfect for like two people. And now let's head over to the balcony. It's beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful. I'll show you. Can you see it, guys? Let's see how it is. So here is the door. It opens like this. And here we come in the balcony. There are two chairs here, and this is what the outside looks like. It's beautiful, you guys. It's beautiful. So we were sitting there. We were sitting there, and now we are up here. And ऊपर से ज़्यादा सुंदर दिखता है यार. Tomorrow we are planning to go that side, like water cross करके. We are planning that side. So yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging that as well. So guys, this was the room tour. It's cute and I love this balcony actually. It's very pretty. And now I'm just gonna be relaxing, freshen up a little, and then I'm gonna be clicking lots of pictures because the scenery is beautiful. And let me call my mom and we can enjoy this beautiful balcony. Mom, come on, come out. And here comes the mom. Yo, mom. Come in the frame. Hello. So now we're gonna be relaxing for a while and then I'll catch ya. Okay, guys, so this is the view behind me. It's so beautiful at night, like evening, sorry, not night. We're just clicking some pictures and maybe we'll sleep early tonight because we have to get up like really early next morning for the safari. So maybe I'll just had dinner and after that I'll sleep. So I guess this is the most for the day, and I'll catch you when I'm like turning in for the night because I believe after dinner nothing is there which I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, I'll catch you once I finish my dinner and I'll be in my room. Okay, guys, so I had my dinner, and as you can see, I took a bath because my hairs were like very frizzy and everything. And tomorrow morning, like I have to get up like at 5:30 because 6:30 पे से बताया मुझे सफारी के लिए निकलना है तो मेरे पास नहाने वहाने का टाइम और बाल धोने का तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. तो मैं सब अभी कर लिया. आई नो विंटर्स में ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए बट दैट्स द ओनली ऑप्शन आई हैड. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोना गो टू स्लीप. And I just came here to end this day. And yeah, I'll meet you next morning. Good night. Bye bye. Hi guys. Good morning. It's the next day. I know. What time it is? 5:43. Okay, that's 5:43 almost. Time to leave. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm just gonna be having tea because यहाँ breakfast ना 8:30 से लगता है. We have to leave by 6:30. So breakfast तो आके ही होगा. So just to sustain ourselves, I'm gonna be having a cup of tea, and I guess that's gonna be it for 4 hours at least. So mom made this tea with in-house supplies. So yeah, once I have my tea and we're ready to leave, I'll check in with you guys. Till then, I'm gonna enjoy my tea. All right, guys, so I'm all ready and it's time to leave. So let's get to that deck which I showed you like yesterday. Now we have to go there, then we have to go by boat, cross the waters, and then we'll get to the gypsy to take us to safari. So let's move. Okay, let's move. Okay, I have to keep this cap because it's very cold outside, though I'm not liking it, but when it's this much cold you don't get much choice. Okay, so let's go. Oh, it's super dark outside, guys. It's super dark. It's not even morning. Oh my god, we have to go working again. And yeah, there's mom. She is going with me. Mom, say hi. Hi. She's going with me, and let's move. Let's move. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Actually, we are waiting for our boat, and once it comes, we're gonna be going that side, and the safari will begin. But can you see how beautiful it is? And where is mom? Where is mom? Here is mom. She's just looking around because it's awesome. It's awesome, guys. There we have to go. Okay, there. So we waiting for our motorboat. Tickets are all checked and everything. And let's start the fun. Yes. Okay, guys, so I'm just getting down. अच्छा अच्छा. So yeah, we have gotten down from the boat and now we are going towards the gypsy maybe. That's my mom with me. It's like all wobbly. Oh my god. Careful, careful, careful. Na, धीरे से. Okay, I have to tie my shoelace. It's open, so let me do that and I'll be back. Okay guys, that is the gate, Satpura Tiger Reserve. And I'm not sure if you can see the view. These are the gypsies. We're gonna go in. And I guess our ride is ready. So let's go. That's mom. जाओ जाओ जल्दी जाके खड़ी हो. That's mom. Yeah, mom. चलो. Okay, now we have to go. It's too dark actually.
हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. गुड मॉर्निंग. मेरा नाम कन्हैया, मैं आपका गाइड हूँ. और ड्राइवर साहब दीपक.
Uh, Hi guys, so I'm currently at one of the checkposts. When it comes to tiger, spotting tiger, it's kind of an empty rate till now. But I really had fun because this gypsy ride now, guys, it's like an adventure roller coaster. So I'm so enjoying. Wait, I'll show you the checkpost over here. It's all jungle, guys. It's all jungle. So there is the checkpost you can see behind me. This one. And currently it's all jungle. I'm surrounded by jungles only. But I'm enjoying this gypsy ride. Actually, we spotted what do you call it? Deer. हाँ, हमने डियर देखा, सांभर जिसे कहते हैं। उसके बाद हमने जंगली गाय भी देखी एंड वाज ह्यूज गाइस, मतलब ये हमारी नॉर्मल गाय जैसी नहीं थी, इट वाज ह्यूज। एंड व्हाट एल्स, हाँ वी स्पॉटेड पीकॉक्स, हमने पीकॉक देखे। इन फैक्ट वी सॉ अ ह्यूज स्पाइडर, जायंट वुड स्पाइडर उसको कहते हैं। तो टिल नाउ वी हैव स्पॉटेड दिस ओनली, एंड एज आई सेड टाइगर के मामले में तो एम्प्टी रेड है, आई एम नॉट श्योर आगे भी दिखेगा कि नहीं। बट या आई जस्ट वांटेड टू चेक इन बिकॉज आई गॉट द टाइम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ना वही रूल्स होते हैं कि यू कैन नॉट मेक नॉइस, यू कैन नॉट स्पीक, यू कैन नॉट गेट डाउन। बट वो बोले सिंस ये चेक पोस्ट है यहाँ पे तो यू कैन गेट डाउन, वॉक अराउंड अ लिटिल। सो आई थॉट लेट्स चेक इन विथ यू गाइज। और उसके बाद आई गेस इसके बाद तो मैं तभी मिलूँगी जब हम बाहर निकल जाएंगे यहाँ से। बट ऑल आई वांटेड टू से कि इवन दो टाइगर नहीं दिखा जिसके लिए ये जाना जाता है, माय गॉड बांस के साथ बोलना बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है, नहीं दिखा, बट मुझे राइड में बहुत मज़ा आया, स्पेशली ये जिप्सी राइड। मुझे लगता है मुझे घुमाते ही रहे गोल 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 गोल, बड़ा मज़ा आ रहा है मुझे। मम्मी से पूछते उनको कैसा लग रहा है। सो मॉम, हियर इज़ मॉम।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मज़ा आ रहा है।
मम्मी को भी मज़ा आ रहा है। पर यहाँ बहुत ठंड है गाइस, मेरे हाथ ना जम गए बिल्कुल बुरी तरीके से, क्योंकि मैं कैमरा पकड़े हुई हूँ, कुछ भी दिख रहा है तो आई एम लाइक टेकिंग पिक्चर्स एंड मेकिंग वीडियोस सो दैट आई कैन पुट हियर इन दिस व्लॉग। बट हाथ बुरी तरीके से जम रहे हैं और बहुत ठंड हो रही है। थोड़ा बहुत सूरज निकल आया है बट स्टिल ना यहाँ इतना घना फॉरेस्ट है कि मतलब इतना दूर तक अंदर तक आ नहीं पा रहे हैं। आई गेस एक जिप्सी और आ रही है पीछे, यू कैन से यस, एक जिप्सी और आ रही है पीछे। बट दैट्स अबाउट इट एंड आई एम हेटिंग दिस कैब गाइज, आई एम हेटिंग दिस। आई विश आई कुड रिमूव इट बट it's very cold over here. So yeah, this is about it. Now I'll check in with you guys once we leave this reserve. Okay guys, so here we are at a viewpoint. We were allowed again to get down of the gypsy, and as you can see it's so beautiful over here. It's all water and huge stones, चट्टानें कहते हैं शायद इन्हें। And yeah, I'm enjoying even though we haven't spotted tigers still, but it's okay. I'm liking that roller coaster of a ride on a gypsy. And yes, here is mom. Mom say hi. Mom say hi.
Bye.
So here is mom and it's all the view. And guys, I'm loving this safari. If you ever visit Madaina, do come here. It's beautiful. आई गेस दिस इज़ द लास्ट वन, इसके बाद हमको जिप्सी से उतरने को नहीं मिलेगा। हो तो हम मिलेंगे जब मैं इस रिज़र्व से बाहर आ जाऊंगी, एंड पॉसिबली आई विल चेक इन वंस आई रीच माय होटल रूम। एंड या पर उसके बीच में यू वॉच ऑल द ब्यूटिफुल क्लिप्स ऑफ दिस ब्यूटिफुल जंगल ओवर हियर। Alright guys, another pit stop. I keep saying this is the last one, this is the last one, तो मैं बोलूँगी ही नहीं अब, but most probably this is the last one. इसके बाद हम यहाँ से बाहर निकल जाएंगे। Actually we were following a bear trail. भालू दिखा था किसी को, तो हम उसकी ट्रेल फॉलो करते हुए यहाँ पे आए, बट अपेरेंटली भालू ने हमें दर्शन नहीं दिए। और अगेन टाइगर जहाँ तक है देन एम्प्टी रेड, वो भी नहीं दिखा। बट या दैट्स अबाउट इट। और इसके बाद मुझे लगता है कि हम यहाँ से बाहर जा रहे हैं, और हम यहाँ पे बस थोड़ा सा देखने आए थे जंगल के बीचों बीच। Yeah, this is where we are. Alright, guys, we are back. This is where we came from. Yeah, so this was the route we went from, and we came back. And that is our gypsy right there. We had lots of fun, guys. In respect to Tiger, it was an empty raid, but I had lots of fun, and I believe my mom did too. Yay, mom! Yeah, we both had fun, and now we're gonna go back to our hotel room, and then I'll check in with you because we are very tired and we are hungry. So maybe we'll have some breakfast, and then we'll go to our room, relax a little bit, and let's see what we do next. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back from breakfast. Actually, breakfast में I just had cornflakes because मेरा इडली सांभर खाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं था सुबह सुबह after the safari trip. And yeah, talking about the safari trip, it was an empty raid. Yeah, we saw no tiger. Actually, bear trail पे bear भी हमको नहीं मिला, but I had fun guys because वो safari trip मतलब जो जगह थी, जिस जगह से वो जिप्सी लेके जा रहे थे, it was such an interior of the whole jungle ना कि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो पूरी जिप्सी घुमाते रहें और वापस नहीं लेके आए. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इट वॉज अ 4 hour ट्रिप एंड पता ही नहीं पड़ा 4 घंटे लाइक निकल कैसे गए. सो करेंटली आई एम बैक इन माई रूम. Actually, not room. I'm in my balcony. Can you see the view, guys? It's so beautiful. It's really beautiful यार. बहुत धूप हो रही है बट सिंस ठंडी हवा चल रही है ना तो वो कॉम्पनसेट हो जाता है, इतनी धूप लग नहीं रही है. बस अभी वी गॉन बी रेस्टिंग चिलिंग इन द बालकनी विथ माई मॉम. एक्चुअली पापा का कॉल है तो माँ उधर बिजी है थोड़ा सा बात करने में. मैंने कहा मैं जब तक थोड़ी सी बात कर लेती हूँ. एंड येस ऑफ कोर्स आई गॉट सम सोवेनियर्स. यहाँ नियर बाय एक शॉप है जिस पे थोड़े बहुत सतपुड़ा के सोवेनियर्स मिल रहे थे. सो लेट मी शो यू. Okay, here we go. So सबसे पहले तो I got this keychain. If you can see, it has this can का bottle. Sorry, not can का bottle का ढक्कन actually. उस पे सतपुड़ा लिखा हुआ है. So it's a nice souvenir. Yeah, I got this one. And then I got something very interesting actually. If you can show you with one hand. I got a t-shirt, guys. I got a t-shirt. If you can see, oh my god, I cannot see it properly. Actually, मैं इसे पहन के दिखा दूँगी कभी. So yeah, I got this t-shirt. It's so beautiful. The material is so soft actually. So I really loved it. And I thought इतनी दूर आए हैं तो let's take something with me. Okay guys, so I was just taking few thumbnail pictures with this new t-shirt and yeah, this is how it looks. This I got from यहाँ की एक local shop से, just as a reminder that I was here, and it fits really well guys. It shows XL as a size, but मुझे नहीं लगता ये XL है because मुझे XL no कभी नहीं आने वाला. So yeah, this is how it looks and I really love it. The material is so good. So I thought let's take some thumbnail pictures with this like t-shirt and put it up for you guys जब मैं vlog डालूँगी. And yeah, that's about it. Now we're gonna go downstairs because lighting अभी बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है ना, तो कुछ अच्छी pictures आ जाएंगी. Now मैं सोच रही हूँ इधर मैं इस ड्रेसअप में जाऊँ कि मैं चेंज करूँ, तो you will get to know that in pictures कि मैंने क्या किया. So I guess let's go downstairs and click some good pictures. Guys, so yeah, I'm back from like checking out the streets of Madhai, and I'm here at this like kind of buffet place where we have our lunch and dinner and breakfast too. And this is the view behind me. Can you see? Can you see? It's beautiful, you guys. Actually, it's more beautiful in real life than like what I can show you on camera. So yeah, probably I'm just gonna go to my room now, change a bit, relax a bit, maybe sit on my balcony, which I'm dying to do. And yeah, after that we'll come here for dinner, and maybe I'll bring you along with me or maybe not. I don't know. If I'm too tired, I might not vlog the dinner part. But yeah, let's see how it goes. You never know. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys soon. Hi guys, good morning. So like last night I totally slept, like I forgot to like end the vlog, end the day actually. But yeah, I just fell asleep. This is last day actually. We are leaving in few hours. So yeah, before going in, I just want to soak in as much beauty as I can because this place is so beautiful. I'm definitely coming back. Currently, me and mom going for breakfast, and then when we'll come back, we'll wrap it up, like pack everything, some small knickknacks which are here lying here and there because yes they are. And yes, we'll click more pics, spend some time in this balcony because again मुझे ये भी नहीं करने को मिला कल. Like कल कहाँ निकल गया पता नहीं चला. But yeah, I didn't get to spend as much time as I wanted here in this balcony because it's beautiful. Can you see? And yeah, we're gonna do that. And yeah, for now, let's go for breakfast. Let's go. Right guys, so breakfast done. I had a weird combination, but it's okay. Like सुबह सुबह ना ये पूरी भाजी, not my cup of tea. Mom ने खाया. Mom, how did you like the food?
It's good.
It's good. Mom liked it. Actually पोहा भी था. Mom said it was good. मुझे खा लेना चाहिए था. But mom के हाथ के पोहा खाने के बाद मुझे कुछ पसंद नहीं आता. Anyways, so we are heading back. हमको थोड़ा सा पैक करना है. क्योंकि हम कुछ घंटों में जाने वाले हैं, कुछ घंटों में 2 घंटों में राइट. और मैं उससे पहले ना वो बालकनी में बैठना चाह रही हूँ. एक्चुअली उन्होंने ब्रेकफास्ट लेट कर दिया, नहीं तो हम अभी तक तो बालकनी में बैठे होते. बट एनी वेज आई मेक इट हैपन. सो या वी आर गोइंग back to our room, pack whatever things we have to, and then we'll sit in the balcony and of course click some more pics. Alright guys, time to go. They have taken our bags downstairs and we are leaving. So yeah, saying bye to this beautiful place. Beautiful place once more, and let's go. Okay. So this is a nice place, as I said, not far from Bhopal. Actually, I'm really surprised. After living in Bhopal for so long, I never knew about this place. In fact, this tiger reserve. If I had known now that a tiger reserve is this close to me, I would have come here multiple times already. But it's okay, as they said, better late than never. At least I got to know about it, and I'm gonna come here quite a lot. Maybe bringing some more friends and relatives here to hang out. Let's see, let's see. But at least I'm gonna come here once more with Papa. Definitely, that's for sure. When, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll ask them what's the best season to come here. Oh yes, mom is holding my mask. I should do that. I'm just giving my mom. I should wear the mask. Most important thing right now. Yes, mask is on. I totally forgot about it. Thank God she didn't. Protection first.